What's up, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, and I wasn't going to answer this question, but I just didn't want to leave Martin hanging. So I'm just going to answer it to the best I can. This is why, guys, I ask you to really send me some pictures and or video of your project so I can help you out even more, because this is a little confusing to me. But let's go ahead. Hey, Tony, thanks for sharing your knowledge. I've learned so much. I was building an old Ducati 92 and can see my spraying improve as I was learning. I'm disabled, so I can't spend too long in my garage, so it's taken a long time. Two questions. One, can you use 2K clear over 1K clear? The answer is yes, but not immediately. Okay, so I wouldn't clear 2K over 1K, and it's not recommended, by the way. This is not something you should be doing all the time, but it can be done. I've done it with success. So just putting that out there. Okay, it's instead of, I don't know, maybe you were working on a project, you had 1K clear and you decided, hey, I want to do a 2K instead, and you don't want to do the whole thing over again. I don't know what your situation is, but as long as that 1K clear is dry, I'm talking about 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks, cured, dry, you don't smell the clear coat anymore, because if you can still smell it, that means it's still curing slowly, right? As long as that thing is dried out and cured, you could spray 2K over it, no problem. All right. The second question is a little tricky for me. What is the easiest way to get rid of clear sagging on top of flake clear? I don't understand flake clear. Is it metal flake in your clear coat, or is your clear coat flaking? I don't get it. Hand sand or DA? So my answer to this vague question will be both. You could use a DA to quick cut the process, right? Sand it down with like a, I don't know what you're doing here, but sand it down with the DA, and then you want to go to a finer grit, finish off with hand sanding. Okay, so I always like to finish my work with hand sanding, okay, no matter what I do, before paint or whatever, because you could feel all the imperfections, you know what you're working with. Your hand is probably the best tool in the body shop, hands down. Okay, so that's my answer. Okay, sagging clear, I'm guessing you have metal flake in your clear coat, so I would basically cut that down with maybe 800 grit, or maybe even 600 grit at first, and then you'd want to go down to 2000 grit by hand. Okay, go drop it down to 1,000, 1,500, then 2,000 grit, 25. You could even go 25. To me, 2,000, you could buff over 2,000, no problem. Okay, and then that's pretty much it. I think this is what you were asking. Maybe some of you watching this video understand that question more than I do. But anyway, it's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I wasn't going to make a video on this, but I just did anyway. Hope this helps, Martin. I'll talk to you soon. If you're new to the channel, guys, click the like, share, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to get your free 85-page auto body manual by clicking this. If you're on mobile, little drop down will appear, or if you're on a desktop computer, click here, look in the description down below the video here. You'll be able to get a free 85-page interactive manual just like this here for free. Okay, talk to you soon.